Hello guys, Oy, corner na ako. Baldi. Baldi, do not follow me. Ha? Yeah, you know. Kasi kung ano kung sino ka na. Nanalo yan.
Welcome to Wally's Basics in Education and Learning. That's me.
Sabi, collect. Makakalaya na tayo pag nag-7 yung notebook. Tama tayo. Ba? Kaso nga habulin ka pa din ni Balde pag nakuha mo na yung 7 notebook. Nagawa mo na ba yun? Hindi, napanood sa YouTube. Ito yung labasan. Tapos lahat ng recruiter ko. Ano na? Play ka ba? Sabi daw ni Chino, suntukan daw kay Balde.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite
Hindi ako marunong mag-math eh.
Answer the three questions correctly. You got it. Problem 2. 4 plus 3 equals...
Hindi, ikaw. Huwag ako eh.
Great job. That's right. Problem 3.
Gabli.
7. I can't believe
Sabi mo,
it.
it's
You're
yes.
incredible.
Tama.
You did great. Come here and get your
Correct ba ba?
prize. A shiny quarter.
Kalbo? Ano kalbo? Balde. Kuha mo yung pera, boy. Ayaw. Takbo kasi ng takbo. Ina.
Problem
3
1.
plus 3, 6.
3 plus. You're doing
Plus 7.
fantastic.
Hindi ko kuha lang
Problem
yung 7.
2.
Kuha
2
lang ko. I
plus.
don't know. I
You
do not
got it.
know. Ay, alam ko na to.
Problem 3 plus. Time
5.
equals.
Ay, alam ko na. Alam mo ano? Ano? Iyak tayo. 2, 5, 1, 18, 54. Eating. Sabay tumakbo, takbo. Oo. Pwede nga nandun tayo. Ano mo kasi ginagawa? Sorry, Wes. Bakit tumakbo ka? Para ako
I am coming.
Sino? Yo, pinatalon tayo. Nakakain dito sa yung pa. Oh!
No running in the halls.
Oh, man!
15 seconds. Detention for you.
Yari ka.
You should know better.
Baber. Anong oras na?
12:58 p.m.
Looks like it's sweeping time. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep. Gotta sweep, 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 sweep. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
Oh, nakakainis. Okay. Butterfly,
Let's go play hide and seek, Baldi.
nakakainis to. Nakakainis na to sa babae. Nakakainis. Hindi na lang ako naglipat. Nakakainis ka lang. Ayan. 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 Sige ah. Black. Kung naman black, babae.
Kuya, pagkakain ka na ha.
Welcome to Wally's Basics in Education.
Ito po.
Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject.
Baby, hindi ka pa kakain kanin. Ha?
Ah! Bro, that's why I hate Baldi.
Welcome to Wally's Basics in Education. Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse.
Suntukan. Wala ka lang pala. Suntukan. Suntukan.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer the 3 questions correctly.
Ang tigil. Baling tigil mo babae.
3 minus 9.
Dito na lang ako mag-alo.
Minus 6. Okay.
And you might get something special. Problem 1. You're doing fantastic. Problem 2. Five plus 8 equals good one. Problem 3. 3. job. That's right. You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter.
Nahulog na.
Problem 1. 8 plus 1 equals... I can't believe it. You're incredible. Problem 2. 5. Good one. Problem 3. Plus times equals
No, lumayas ka!
welcome to Baldi's Basics in Educate. Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer the 3 questions correctly, and you might get something special. Problem 1. You're doing fantastic. Problem 2. 4. I can't believe it. You're incredible. Problem 3. Great job. That's right. You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter.
I hate you, Baldi.
Problem 1. 5.
Pinatayaan to. Nakakainis yun. Minus. Wala akong kaya dito sa Roblox eh.
Minus 8 equal good one. Problem 2. 6.
Oh, hell na.
6 equals good one. Problem 3.
No running in the halls. 15 seconds. Detention for you. When will you learn? I am coming. Here I come. I am
Nakakainis ka ng kalbo ka na. Okay, that's it. I hate it.